Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the mutual funds. What are mutual funds? It is a mechanism of pooling resources from public by issuing units to them, and the money or fund thus collected is invested in various types of security as disclosed in the offer document as per the objectives disclosed in the offer document. Mutual fund issue units to investors in the same proportion as the quantum of money invested by them. The profit and loss is also divided in the same proportion of money invested by the investors. Now comes the management of mutual funds. Mutual fund is set up in form of a trust. This trust has sponsors, trustees, asset management company and custodians. One or more sponsors can set up this trust. They work as a promoter of the company. Trustees keep the property of mutual fund and they do so for the benefit of the investors or unit holders. Asset management company manages the funds by investing them in various types of securities, and the custodian keeps the custody of securities invested in various types of schemes. Now this custodian must be registered with SEBI. Asset management company should be approved by Security and Exchange Board of India. The performance is measured by the net asset value. This net asset value should be disclosed daily or weekly depending on the type of scheme. Now we will read the formula for net asset value, that is the market value of securities of a scheme minus the expenses incurred on the scheme divided by the total number of units of the scheme on a particular date. Now come to the requirements. Mutual fund requires to be registered with Security and Exchange Board of India. This SEBI formulates the policies and regulates the mutual funds. At least 2/3 of the director of trustee companies must be independent, and 50% of the directors of asset management company must be independent. That was all about mutual funds. Thank you.